Hello everyone, in this class I explain you ratio and proportion. So let's take one example. That is, question is find the ratio of the given numbers. The question is, the question that I am taking, that is 75 paise to rupee 6. This is the question. This one is given in paise and this one is in rupees. So first we convert rupee into paise. So 1 rupee is equivalent to what? 100 paise. Now rupee 6 is equivalent to 6 multiply 100 means 600 paise, because we have to find the more value. So question becomes 75 paise to 600 paise. So here I am writing 75 and 2. This one we write down in a fraction, say 75 upon 600. So reduce them. So first I am reducing by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25, and it is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are and 0. Again further we can cut by 5. 5 threes are and 5 twos are, 5 fours are. This is equivalent to 3 by 24. So this we can cut further also. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. So this is 1 upon 8. So this we can write in the form of fraction ratio, that is 1 ratio 8. This is the solution. Okay. Let's take one more example, that is 6 kilometer to 900 meter. Here again the units are different, so again we convert into a same unit. 6 kilometer, 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1000 meter. It means 6 kilometer is equivalent to 6 into 1000. So it is equivalent to 6000 meter. So write down 6000 meter to 900 meter. It means we have to find this one. So write them into a fraction. 6000 upon 900. Cut these zeros. And here we can cut by 3. 3 threes are, 3 twos are and 0, and 20 upon 3. Write down in the form of ratio. This is 20 ratio 3. So 20 ratio 3 is the answer. Okay. Next example is 1/42 to 2 minute 20 second. Here we have, it is in 2 minute 20 second. 2 units are given in the second part. So first we convert 2 minute into seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So 2 minute is equivalent to 2 into 60, that is 120 second. And 2 minute 20 second becomes, so it means we add 20 second in 2 minutes. So 20 plus 120 is equivalent to 140 second. So now these two are same. So the question becomes 140 second to 140 second. So 140 upon 140 becomes 1 by 1, because these are same. So the ratio becomes 1 ratio 1. So this is the solution. Okay. Now come to the module number 11. Here the question is, here you have to compare two ratios, 3 ratio 51 and 5 ratio 87. You have to compare these ratios. Then how do we compare these ratios? First you write them in the form of fraction. So this is 3 upon 51 and another one is 5 upon 85. So what we do here? We do the cross multiplication. Okay. So 3 multiply 85 and 5 multiply 51. Now calculate them. This is equivalent to 255, and this one is again same, that is 255. These two are equal, so we can write these two ratios are equivalent to each other. Okay, So in the next question, here we have 4 ratios. So write them in the form of fractions, that is 7 upon 38 and 19 upon 1. Okay, this is the another one question. So what we do, here we have to find the equivalent fractions. So we can reduce them. So we reduce them 16 and this is equivalent to 19 and 19 upon 1. We can, and the next one 9 plus 5 14. So 14 we cannot cut by 3, so it means we write down as it is, that is 3 upon 95. 7 upon 38, 38 is not in the table of 7, so we can write 7 upon 38 and 19 upon 1. So here 19 upon 1 and 19 upon 1, these two are same, so we can say first one and last one are the equivalent fractions. So here I am writing 19:1, or you can write 57. This one is 57 upon 3, 57:3, and last one 19:1 are equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. The next question is, check whether the numbers are in proportion or not. Here we check that the numbers are in proportion or not. So let's take one example, that is 18:10, and this is the symbol of 4 dots is the symbol of proportion, and it is 9:5. Now we have to check that these are in proportion or not. Here we have one formula, the product of extremes. Product of extremes is equivalent to product of means. Okay, so here 18 and 5, these are the extremes, and 10 and 9 are means. So 18 multiply 5 is equivalent to 90. 18 5s are 90, and means 10 and 9. So 10 multiply 9, these are again 90. So 90, these two are same. It means we can say these numbers are in proportion. Okay, because these answers are same, so we can write hence numbers are in proportion. Okay, let's take one more example. Is 1/6 ratio 1/8, and here and proportion to 5/12 ratio 5/16. Here again the same formula, product of means and product of extreme. So 1/8 multiply 5/12 equivalent to 5/12. 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96. And the same way you calculate 1/6 and 5/6. Okay, 1/6 and 5/16. 1/6 multiply 5/16, and it is 5 multiply 5 5, and 16 6 are, this is again 96. These two are same, so we can say these are in proportion. These numbers are in proportion. Okay. Next question is, if 3:5 proportion to 3:5 proportion to 21:x, find x. Here you have to calculate the value of x. These are in proportion, so it means then again we use a same formula, that is product of extremes is equivalent to product of means. See this one. Okay, product of means, and extremes are what? 3 and x. These are extremes, so 3 multiply x, 3x, and means 5 and 21. So it is 5 multiply 21, 3 and x, these are in multiplication with each other. So what we do here, 3 goes in the denominator. So x is equivalent to 5 multiplied 21 upon 3, and it is 3 sevens are 21. So 5 into 7, 5 sevens are 35. So x is equivalent to 35. This is the answer. Okay. In the next question, I explain you how to find third proportion. Okay. So here the question is, find the third proportion to rupee 4 and rupee 12. This time 4 and we have to find the third proportion. Okay, then how do we calculate? So 4, we write down 4 ratio 12 and the symbol of proportion. Repeat this number 12, and then last one you write down third proportion. Middle term we repeated, and again the same formula, product of extreme, product of means, these are equal. 4x is equal into 12 into 12. So again x4 goes to denominator, x is equal to 12 upon 12 multiplied 12 upon 4, and it is 4 3s are, so 12 3s are 36. So the value of x is 36. In this way you can calculate all the answers. Thank you everyone.